So my first day here, I actually got to go out with the team and have a lunch with them before I even got to see them in their work environment. And I feel like that actually really helped me calm my nerves, because I got to talk to them and meet them as people before I met them as the experienced engineers that they are. So it was a little bit less intimidating than seeing how great they are and then how much they know compared to an intern coming in like me.
Favorite part of the internship so far has been the variety of work I have been given. Thus far, I've been working with our air compressors, our electro-hydraulic actuators, Torflex arms. Recently, I've been developing some AI models, and today I've actually been drawing up a floor plan.
So most companies have a very structured 10 to 12 week internship, but here at Dexter, they provided me a very flexible opportunity. I was able to start early in March, even as I was taking my classes, get oriented to the company's procedures and get to meet people, and I've really enjoyed that because as soon as the summer started, I was able to hit the ground running.
Yeah, I'd say I've built a lot of strengths here at Dexter over the summer. Mostly so my analysis skills though. You get a real luxury here at Dexter that I don't think you get at very many other companies, which is being surrounded by a lot of people who want to see you grow and succeed and celebrate your success.
This is my second year as an intern here with Dexter, and last year I did a lot of work with the quality department, which was mainly data analytics through Excel. But one thing that I recently spoke to my manager, and he said that they still use a lot of the work I done to this day during my time.
Yeah, I'd say this company has a culture unlike anything that I've ever experienced before. Everyone's eager to contribute, everyone wants to see the company succeed, and most importantly, everyone cares about each other.
I would absolutely recommend anyone who is looking for internship to come to Dexter.